Hey guys, Mitch from Redwater Dodge here. Big question we keep getting is how often should fuel filters be changed on a Ram 2500 in severe duty? And first off, what even counts as severe duty? If you're towing a lot, doing short trips, idling for long periods, driving in dusty conditions, running winter fuel, or dealing with cold weather all the time, congrats. You're severe duty whether you plan for it or not. That means you're not getting the normal service interval anymore. You should be doing those filters way sooner than the book says. And here's the thing, a partially clogged fuel filter will 100% cause hard starting, long crank times, sluggish throttle, and make the truck feel lazy, especially in the cold. Which brings up winter, because cold temps and winter diesel can actually shorten the life of your filters. The fuel gel is easier, contamination shows up faster, and the truck has to work harder to pull through the system. Now the other debate, OEM versus aftermarket. Personally, on these high-pressure common rail systems, I always tell people the same thing. You're protecting a very expensive fuel system, saving a few bucks on a filter usually isn't worth it. So if your truck's cranking longer than normal, or just not feeling right, and you can't remember the last time you did your fuel filters, it's probably your sign. If you have any questions, give us a call at 780-942-3629, and we'll do our best to help you out.